Fully diffused solid illumination means no dots, zero shadowing, and intense, uniform output. Single circuit, 1156, red LED turn signal conversions for HD bullet-style signals with smoke lens. CAN bus compatible. Pre-CAN bus HD models may require load equalizer, sold separately. Direct replacements, sold as a pair, for the OEM rear turn signal bulbs and lenses. Compatible with Harley-Davidson Touring, Softail, Dyna, and Sportster models, see description for specification. Top reviews from the United States. Nice and bright. These are a plug-and-play replacements for dual filament bulbs. The running light is a bright red ring. When you apply the brake, the center portion lights up as well. They are very bright. I have these installed on a 2016 FLHXS. The only issue I've noticed is the fairing turn signal indicators now blink very fast even though the turn signals seem to flash at a normal rate.